Hello YouTube. So if you read by the title, this is a quick and easy meal under 25 minutes. I will be cooking everything per instruction on the package. So first we'll get started with the rice, as this will take longer to cook, but this is what we'll be cooking today. And this is also under $10 as well. So first we have the Hormel slow simmered beef roast. And then we also have the rice on the side, white rice. Then we also have in the back just some alternatives that you could pair with the beef roast if you did not want to use white rice. So let's see, we have the pasta sides. It's the Alfredo and broccoli you can make it with. You can also make it with cheddar and broccoli rice, cheddar, broccoli and chicken flavored rice. You can also do mixed vegetables, so you have green beans, corn, mac and cheese, cornbread, scallop potatoes, some mixed greens, or some baked beans. And you can also do mashed potatoes or a baked potato as well. But right now, since I'm snowed in, I don't have any milk, I don't have a can opener, and I don't have any potatoes. So we're gonna do this quick and easy meal with the rice and the beef today. And also this feeds 4 to 6 people based on your portioning sizes. And then you should make your rice to your own portioning sizes based on what your family will eat. But I will be doing based on the packaging, and the packaging is a cup of rice. And it takes 2 cups of water, and that will be 640 calories based on if you get this kind of rice for the project. So first we're gonna start off cooking the rice. So first you're gonna make sure you have everything to make your rice. So okay, so now we're gonna get started making the rice. We're gonna make everything per instruction. So it says start with 2 cups of water. Then once I open the rice, we'll get 1 cup of rice, my 2 cups of water, I get my dash of salt. Okay, so now here's the 1 cup of rice that we already have pre-measured out. And we already have our water over here boiling. But I can't get everything out. Okay. So, normally I rinse my rice, but I forgot to because I was trying to get this video recorded for you guys. But rinsing your rice is just running it through the water twice before. Okay, now it's time for us to start with the beef. And we did start with the rice because that does take the longest to cook. Okay, so based on the instructions in the package, it says take this out of the container. You can either cook it in the microwave or you can cook it on the skillet. So we're gonna cook it in the skillet. So you just so mine might still be frozen, but it does say separate the big piece. Okay, so after taking the meat out of the package, I let it cook a little bit and I separated it. Now you just need to get it warm since it's already pre-cooked. Make sure nothing is frozen if you froze it. But if you bought it straight from the store, then it will be good to go once it's warmed. So it will look like this once you're done. And this took about, for me, it took about 5 minutes. So if you get it right from the store, if you have a gas stove like me, it'll be done in under 5 minutes. It's just the rice we have to wait on. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. I'm gonna add my own seasoning to it, just some salt and pepper. Then you can also add another pack of gravy into this as well. Now we're going to check on the rice because you do check on it period. After letting the rice sit, we come back and check on it. And there's my timer. So I had to add some more water because it wasn't done. because my stove does cook it. What your rice look like when it is done. All the water is absorbed. I kind of let the bottom stick and overcook a bit, tending to my kid. Okay, so guys, here's the finished product. I did add more gravy, and I topped with salt and pepper to season for taste. But yeah, this is the finished product. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like, comment.
But I know the truth was I miss you.